Hola, welcome to Mexico. We've just arrived and this is the incredible view from our room. We'll be able to see sunrise and sunset. And the room is pretty nice itself as well. It's bloody massive. We even have our own literal bar of pure alcohol. So yeah, we're staying north of Cancun. It's currently 7:15 at the moment. So we're going to have a little bit of an explore and get some food because we're starving. But back home it's about 2 o'clock in the morning. So we're a little bit tired as well, but we'll see what happens.
I got this feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you. And there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we want to do. Cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you.
The sun started to rise around 6 o'clock as well, so I was like, why not? I came down here to get some nice, cool slow motion footage for the ocean. You'll probably see that in a second, and I'm going to try and get my drone up before I get towed off. Fly around and show you what the hotel looks like. Your trapped inside. I forgot to look beyond, I see the other side. Thank you for watching the video. It's only a short one. I should have released this video ages ago, but I've not had time to. There'll be loads more content coming soon, hopefully, so make sure you stick around for a load more videos. See you later.